Are you looking for that perfect island vacation getaway? Well, I've got the perfect place for you to come and spend with your family. This is the Captiva Hideaway on Old Lodge Lane on Captiva Island. And if you don't know a whole lot about Captiva Island, I'll make sure to fill you in. But first, I want to take you inside this amazing 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo that's overlooking Pine Island Sound, where I promise you, when you wake up to that morning sunset, you'll want to come back here year after year.
Everything in this unit is brand new, with a modern coastal vibe. The family room has full impact glass sliders for great soundproofing when closed, and incredible views, whether open or closed, from the screened-in lanai. We feature a brand new kitchen with quartz countertops and modern conveniences. The second bedroom has a queen-size bed and ceiling fan, and it's directly across the hall from a full bath. The master bedroom also features a queen-size bed and its own private 3/4 bath with a beautiful tile shower. Take the spiral staircase straight down from the lanai to the waterfront pool overlooking our private access fishing pier. You're also a short walk from the beach, and our private storage unit is stocked with a beach wagon, beach chairs, and beach toys and accessories, so the whole family can have fun without packing it all from home.
Whether you love swimming, fishing, boating, laying out by the pool, whatever it is, this place has everything you can imagine. And on top of it, all the great places to dine are a short walk away, as is the beach. We even include a wagon, chairs, everything you need to have a great beach day. So if you're looking for that perfect vacation, go to our website, newvacay.com. Read the link right there, newvacay.com, and go ahead and book your stay with us. Promise you, you won't forget it.